In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar in Notion. By the end, you'll have your Google Calendar displayed right inside a Notion page, so you can see your schedule at a glance without switching tabs. This method uses a public link from Google Calendar and creates a read-only embed in Notion, which is great for visibility, planning, and sharing a view of your timetable. Start on the Google Calendar website. Click the gear icon in the top right corner and open Settings. In the left sidebar, choose the specific calendar you want to embed. Make sure it's the correct one if you manage multiple calendars. Under Access Permissions, turn on Make Available to Public. This is required for the calendar to display in Notion. You'll also choose whether to show full event details or just your availability as free or busy. Remember, making a calendar public means anyone with the link can view whatever level of detail you select. Next, still in that calendar's settings, scroll to the section labeled Integrate Calendar. Find the field called Public URL to this calendar and copy it. This is the exact link Notion needs to create a live view of your calendar. Be sure you're copying the public URL, not a private address or an iCal link, since Notion relies on the public version to display the calendar properly. Now switch over to Notion and open the page where you want your calendar to appear. Click into the page and simply paste the Google Calendar public URL. Then press Enter. Notion will automatically convert that link into an embedded calendar view. Once you see it appear, adjust the frame size so the calendar is easy to read. You can drag the edges to make it wider or taller and give yourself enough room to see your week or month clearly without constant scrolling. A quick but important note. This calendar embed is read only in Notion. You can click events to view details if you chose to show them, but you won't be able to create, move, or edit events from inside Notion. To make changes, open Google Calendar, update your events there, and then come back to Notion. The embed will reflect those changes shortly. That's it. You've connected Google Calendar to Notion using a public URL, chosen the level of detail, embedded it, and resized it for a clean, readable view. Enjoy having your schedule right where you work.